Hi guys, this is Vanessa, the activities assistant at Helping Hands for Better Living, and today Chef Francisco is going to be showing us how to make a bagel breakfast sandwich. Okay, so you're going to need to start off with ingredients which include a bagel, cheese of your choice, you can leave it out if you'd like, egg, and a tablespoon of milk. That can be dairy, coconut, soy, whatever you prefer. Okay, so these are the tools that we're going to be using. They include a mug, you can use a small bowl, a tablespoon measure, a spoon or fork to whisk the egg, a microwave, a toaster, and a plate. So Chef Francisco is going to wash his hands for at least 20 seconds. You want to do this before you start cooking or touching your food. Okay, so you want to start off by cracking the egg into a small bowl or mug. Next, you're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of milk into the egg just to make it fluffier. And remember, you can substitute the dairy milk with dairy-free milk such as soy or coconut. And you are just going to mix it until you get the consistency that you're looking for. Okay, and when that's all done, you're going to add it to the microwave. You can add it for a minute. Our microwave is kind of strong, so we're doing a minute, but you can do 1:30 minutes. Okay, next you want to get the egg out, but just let it sit for a bit so that you don't burn your hands. Okay, you're going to toast your bagel next. Once that's done, you're going to plate it. And you're going to grab your egg and place it over the bagel, as Chef Francisco is doing here. And after that, you are going to top it with the cheese of your choice. We have pepper jack here, but you can use cheddar. You can even use dairy-free cheese, or you can leave out the cheese if you'd like. Then you're going to close up your bagel, and it's all ready for you to consume and enjoy. Okay, so next we have food sizing and food consistency for fine chopped, chopped, and pureed. So in this one, we are doing fine chopped, cutting our food into 1/4 inch pieces. If you're doing chopped, you're going to do 1/2 inch pieces. So that's what Chef Francisco is doing here. Okay, so after that, we are going to be placing it all in a small food processor. Okay, I'm sure if you don't have one of these, you can use a blender as well. So as you're adding all of that in there, you're going to add water as well. Okay, and the amount of water you want depends on the consistency that you want. Okay, so you're going to mix that all together until you get it at the right consistency. Chef Francisco is checking now. He sees that we might want to be adding a little more water. So he added a little bit of water, and now we are mixing it again. Okay, and that's the consistency that we were looking for. So now that that's done, you get to pour it in your small bowl and consume and enjoy as well. And here are our nutrition facts. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.